Good morning, all the Wonder children and their wonderful families. Do you know that today we're going to have double the fun? And you know why that is? Because today we also have Sanya ma'am with us. So, are you all set? Sanya ma'am, would you like to say good morning to all the children? How are you doing this Friday morning?
Good morning to all my lovely children from Wonderland. Good morning, parents. Good morning, Tanya ma'am and Shreyas. I'm doing so good today since today is the day that we meet all our lovely children, and it's going to be a full activity day. So let's make the fun begin, Tanya ma'am.
Yes. So, Shreyas, do you know what day it is today?
Yeah, today is Friday.
Yes, it is. And what comes after Friday, Sanya ma'am?
It's Saturday.
Saturday, and then comes
Sunday.
But do you know what is on Sunday?
Mother's Day.
Yes, it's Mother's Day. It's a very special day. And it's a day to celebrate all our beautiful mothers, grandmothers, aunts, even our didis at home who take care of us. Because whoever takes care of us, gives us love, is like a mother to us. So it's a very special Sunday this coming weekend. And what should we do, Sanya ma'am, to celebrate? Is there something exciting that you've got planned for us?
Of course, ma'am, I have planned a beautiful activity. But before that, we must let our children know that we all are so blessed to have so many women around us who loves us unconditionally and care for us. Even the didis at home take special care of us. So we must respect that too. And I think, ma'am, over to you, Tanya, ma'am.
Yes. So before we begin our surprise activity for Mama, I think we're going to do something super fun.
Yeah.
But, you all will have to run around a little bit for that. We are going to do a Mother's Day scavenger hunt. So I'm going to ask you to find a few things, and you have to run around, find them, and then come back and show them to me. So Sanya ma'am and Shreyash, you both have to do this too. So I'm going to share the screen with you to show you what you need to look for. Are you all ready? So can you see that? So we need to find an object that is your mother's favorite color. You also need to find something your mother loves to eat. Basically, her favorite treat. You also need to find something your mother loves to wear. And then once you're back with all of this, you need to show us your mother's favorite dance step. So are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes. Shall we go?
Yes.
Let's go, children. Can we run, get up, and quickly start finding all the things? So we need to run first and find an object that is your mother's favorite color.
Dress up.
Run, 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 run.
Back.
Okay. And then you need to find something that your mother loves to eat. Basically, her favorite treat.
Right here.
And then we need to find something that your mother loves to wear.
Okay. Now that's going to be.
I hope the Wonder children are running around. Sanya ma'am, have you got all your things with you? Shreyash, you better rush.
Better, I have to go down.
Is everyone running around and getting their things together? So we need to find an object that is your mother's favorite color, something that your mother loves to eat, something your mother loves to wear. And then once you're back, I will need you to show me your mother's favorite dance step. Sanya ma'am, have you got all your things with you?
Yes, ma'am. I've got everything.
Good job. I'm waiting for all the Wonder children to come back with all their beautiful things.
Shall we start, ma'am?
Sure thing. So everyone is going to hold up to the screen their mother's
I'm back.
favorite
I'm back.
color. Can everyone show me the favorite color? So Aryavansh has a red cup, I think, in his hand. And Shriyank has pink. Yes, I see a lot of pinks there. Adira has pink too. That's lovely to see. Where's everyone else's? What color is your mother's favorite? Can we see the color now, please? Tanya ma'am's holding up a blue pen. Shreyash here is holding up a red speaker.
Pink. Pink.
Samara is going to be a red doll.
Good. We just need to hold up the object to the screen so that I can see it. Lovely, Samara. So that's Mama's favorite color. That's really nice to see. And who else is there, Sanya ma'am? Can you see who else is holding up their favorite colors? Sanya ma'am, you need to unmute. We can't see you. We can't hear you, Sanya ma'am.
Yes. So, Ishraj, I can't see what you're holding. Nimrit and Hunar, show us, please. And I can see Adira is holding red. And Aryavansh red. Samriddhi is purple.
Oh, wow.
Purple? Yes.
So many
And
colors.
Ira is holding pink again. Yeah. And Vani is also holding pink.
That's lovely to see. Thank you so
Wow.
much, Wonder Children. Now I need to see what your mother loves to eat. What's her favorite treat? What does Mama love to eat? Oh wow, Sanya ma'am and Shreyash both have brought Nutella. Shreyash took out some in a bowl. Sanya ma'am has got a bottle with her. So Nutella seems Samriddhi. Samara's holding a dairy milk. Mama loves chocolate. And I can see Aryavansh has an apple. And there's a
Yay.
cookie. I see there's a cookie there as well. Oh, and I think there's some more. Oh, there's more Nutella. And there's
Yeah.
a This is so much fun. It's so nice to see what your mamas love to eat. Okay, what's the next thing? What does Mama like to wear? What does Mama like to wear? Tanya ma'am has a scarf. Shreyash has brought his mother's house coat.
Go, run, run, run.
Wow.
आगे लाना है कुछ भी जो मम्मा को अच्छा लगता है आगे लाओ ना
Let's see. What does everyone like? What do mamas like to wear? That's a t-shirt Samira's got. And Raineel, what have you got? Raineel has also got a scarf, I think. And what else? Who else? Oh, I can see some very pretty scarves. Yes. And there's a kurta, I think I see there. Okay, and now I want you all to quickly stand up and show me Mama's favorite dance step. So Shreyash is going to show us his Mama's favorite dance step. Come on, Wonder Children, can we see the favorite dance step? Go. Anything.
Her favorite dance step is this.
Okay, Wonder Children, can you show me Mama's favorite dance step? Let's do it. Let's do it. That is so nice, Wonder Children. Lovely to see you all standing up and moving your feet. Moving your feet. Wonderful. That is so cute. So Mama's idea was to help you feel special, but also for the children to know something about you. So now they know your favorite color, your favorite treat, what you like to wear, and also your favorite dance step. Now, that was super fun, but it's time to plan a surprise. It's time to plan a surprise. Yes, So I'm going to hand it over to Sanya ma'am. Sanya ma'am, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go.
So let's start with all the fun that we've planned for today. So basically, Sanya ma'am has prepared a bouquet for you, bouquet of flowers for your mamas. Look here. So this is, we are going to make a love bouquet of flowers for all the mamas. And do you see the forks that we have painted? Those flowers are called tulips. And we are going to start this activity now. We will first take the
We have these
forks.
forks.
Any fork
Are
that you
these
have.
okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
So now let's start painting the fork, bottom part of the fork with the green color. I hope your water and your tissue or duster is ready to do all. And this is how we are going to paint green color.
So we basically need to paint the bottom of the fork green, right,
Yes, with
Sonia
the
ma'am?
green color. Yes, ma'am. Like this, front and back. So let's first paint all the forks of the green color. Let the first dry.
Ma'am, somebody has already have the fox in their hand.
Excellent. That's great. Sonia ma'am, we need to paint them green on both sides, just the bottom half?
Yes, just the bottom half and green on both the sides.
Okay, because that's the stem of our flower.
Yes, because that's the stem of the flower.
Great. Thank you, Sonia ma'am.
You're welcome, ma'am. I'm sure this is going to be a fun-full activity for all of us, and it will look also very beautiful when we are done. Now I'm painting the back side. And now we'll
Sonia ma'am,
let the
look how
second
beautifully
also
also
dry.
all the children are doing it. They're doing such a
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good job, all of you.
So, ma'am, how
We are
many
letting
people
the,
need to do 5?
I think let's do 5, ma'am.
Okay.
5 will look good
Yes,
as a bouquet.
nice bunch.
Yes. My third one is done. Let's do the fourth one.
Tanya ma'am, we have only 4 of these. Then
So,
we
ma'am,
have
4 is also good.
a knife. We have a knife.
I think 4 is good, ma'am. 4 is a good number.
Very well.
I already my hand.
It's okay, maybe when we paint it, it's dirty. What do we paint on top?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you can take any colors that you like. So the basic tulip colors are yellow, purple, pink, red. Or if your children want, the children want any color that they like, they can definitely use it. But ma'am, I'm going to use purple, red, orange, yellow, and pink.
बस इतना करना.
Mamas, please make sure that your speakers are on mute, please, so that we don't have disturbance. Otherwise, the rest of the children can't actually hear us. Thank you.
Okay. So I'm done with my fifth fork. Is everybody done with the fifth fork or fourth one? I'm gonna dash in water using shrimp. Or if you have separate brushes. Can you use those?
So now, Sanya,
start
want
with
to paint the top of our flowers?
Yes, ma'am. So I'm going to start with the red color now, the top of the flower. I'm going to use the dried fork first. And we start painting the top one like this. The top portion of the fork, which will make it look like a tulip.
What other color do you want?
We make it nice and let's start with the second fork. And we're again gonna keep it drying. Keep it for drying. We're gonna use yellow color now.
So we've got blue, red, and yellow so far, Sanya ma'am. What colors do you have?
I have done red and yellow. And to make pink, I'm gonna use red and white.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna use purple now. Purple looks very beautiful, Tanya ma'am.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Maybe we can mix some colors and try.
Yeah. Good job, Wonder Children. You're doing a very good job.
Fantastic. Everyone's forks are coming together.
Yes, and they're looking so beautiful.
Yeah, and we're doing some color mixing too, aren't we, Sanya ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna mix red and white now.
We're going to mix red and white to make pink, is it?
Yes.
Lovely.
And definitely it'll come look like a beautiful pink.
Wow. Oops.
I'll use the same one. No.
Oh, you use this one.
See?
Oh, wow. Wonderful.
Yes. So I am hoping that everybody's fork is done.
We're getting there.
And yes.
Two. And we've got 3. Ours is coming along beautifully, Sanya ma'am.
I'm so glad, ma'am. Mine too. Can I show it to you?
Yes,
So
please.
mine has become red,
Wow.
yellow, and orange.
Wow.
ये नहीं करते हैं आपको कुछ और बता रही मैं
And purple. And a mixture of red and white that is pink.
अमृति
Looks so
दीदी बैठी
beautiful.
यहाँ पे
Sanya ma'am, can you unmute yourself, please? Thank you.
Yes. So all the colors of the forks have come out beautifully. Now we are going to take a white paper or a painted green like this. I'm going to fold this paper. This is how I am going to do. Is everybody done with the painting?
Yeah, we're just finishing with our last one, Sanya ma'am, but you can go
Yes,
ahead.
ma'am. Okay. So I'm going to take a green paper like this, or a green painted paper, which is painted on white. I'm going to fold it like this and make it into squares like this.
Okay.
That way we can get maximum amount of leaves.
Okay. So we have to cut out leaves from the green paper now?
Yes, ma'am. Like this.
So Sanya ma'am, we
We've
have
got-
felt sheets. We're using those. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. Any green shade is fine, or we can have also white and paint it into green.
Okay.
I'm gonna draw a leaf on this green paper, one square. Like this. And now we're going to cut it.
Sanya ma'am, how many leaves should we cut?
So I think at least one leaf per fork will look very beautiful.
Yes, it should. One more, right?
And that's how I've got so many leaves.
Wow, Sanya ma'am, that's really well done. Wonder Children, you can take mama's help, or whoever's sitting with you can help out with you cutting the leaves. Please be careful when using a scissor.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how many leaves do we need?
So one leaf per fork should be good. It will look very beautiful.
Four is fine. Yeah. Oh, give me 5 minutes.
So 5 forks will have 5 leaves, or 4 forks will have 4 leaves. So that we can stick one leaf to each fork.
Sanya ma'am, we've got 5 felt sheet leaves.
So beautiful. Now we are going to
Stick that.
I think, ma'am, everybody, we should wait for a minute. Everybody's cutting the leaves.
Sanya ma'am, this class is fun. I like it.
Thank you so much, Shreyas.
You're welcome.
I'm so glad that you are also here.
Thanks.
Ma'am, Samriddhi's done this.
Samriddhi is done. Very good, Samriddhi. Vanij, I can see yours. Very beautiful. Shrank, Shrank, I think that's the name of the father. So that's pretty well. It's good. Looking very beautiful. Good job, Raineel. Hunar, show me yours. I went very good.
I see we
Now
have,
shall we start taking the...
we have a daddy in the house as well. Adira's father's helping out. I'm so glad.
Hi, oh, good morning. So nice of you. So now we're going to, I'm going to use a Fevistick. You can use anything, Fevicol or tape, what you like. I'm going to use Fevistick to stick leaves to the fork.
Sanya ma'am, we have some glue drops. Can we use those?
Of course, definitely. It's beautiful to use glue drops. It's going to be very easy with that. See, like this.
Oh, wow. That looks really pretty.
Yeah. We can use it the way we like. Let's stick to all the forks.
Sanya ma'am, here's what ours is looking like.
So beautiful. I love the blue tulip.
We are still on cutting the leaves part. Are we really behind?
No, no.
I'm just gonna cut them out.
Yeah, no problem. Just cut them.
Anya, ma'am,
Yes.
ours look like this.
Yes, sir. Looking very beautiful. Adira, good job.
Beauty of the one.
Ma'am, is it like this?
Like this. Yes.
Okay,
Abhi,
thank you.
Abhi, very nice.
Ma'am, like this? Ma'am.
Yes,
Very-
Samriddhi. Aravind Shaidan, good job, all of you. You all are doing a very good job. So now, shall we go ahead, ma'am?
Sure thing. Are we done? Tanima, go through how we need to set this up because we're also going to run out of time. So we need to.
Yes, ma'am. So now we are going to make a bouquet like this. And like this. And use a ribbon. Anything that you have. A pipe cleaner, a ribbon, a mesh, anything. And we're going to get it all together and tie it up like a bouquet.
Ma'am, yeah.
Very good. Now tie it up like a bouquet.
एक मिनट हाँ मल्लिका very good. Very good for me.
Ma'am, ये करो।
That's looking wonderful.
Abhi we will do that.
Cut the extra ribbon if there is any.
And something now.
एक मिनट मम्मा हाथ से रिबन लगवाइए.
Like this. And get it all together. Are we all doing it together?
Yes.
I made
Very good, Samriddhi. Very good, all of you. It's looking so good. Like this. So when it comes all together, we're going to use a glass. We're going to use a glass and put the bouquet in the glass.
तो मैम को गिलास दिखाओ.
Like this. And now, if you have pebbles or anything, I had colored crystals. If you have crushed paper, you can use anything and put it in the glass.
Right. We've got some blue pebbles that we're using.
Oh, so beautiful. You can use crushed paper as well, or hay. And it's gonna look like this. And you can set it according to our choice.
Right.
Is everybody's bouquet ready?
Nearly, we're getting there.
2 minutes, ma'am.
Ready मैम?
No problem.
Ma'am.
Good job, Samriddhi. Good job, Avyav, Prineel. Good job. All of you are doing very good. Sahana, very good.
We're done with our flower bouquet.
Oh, beautiful, Shreyas. I love it. It's looking so beautiful.
Tiny stones inside.
Yes.
Thank you, Sanya ma'am. That was a beautiful activity. I mean, I think everyone's bouquets are looking stunning.
And we can give this to our mamas on Mother's Day. It's going to be so beautiful. She's gonna love it, I'm sure.
I'm sure all the mothers are going to be super excited and they're going to love their surprise. Right?
Yay.
Now we have something even more exciting that we want to do with you. But before we do that, our hands are a bit grubby. So we need to quickly go and wash our hands. Yes? So it's 12:01. 12:05, when the clock is saying 5 minutes past 12, we're going to come back here with our hands nice and sparkly clean and all the material that we require for the next round. So Sanya ma'am, see you exactly at 12:05.
Yes, ma'am.
Is everyone back? Give your hands a scrubbing. Can everyone show us their sparkly clean hands, please? Let's see everyone sparkly clean hands. Let's wiggle our fingers. Can we wiggle our fingers?
Wiggle your fingers.
Good job, everyone. Nice clean hands. And you know what we're going to do with these nice clean hands? We are going to make a cake for our mamas with our very own hands. How exciting is that? And what a surprise it's going to be.
Yes, big.
So what we need to do now, I had already given a list of all the things that we need. So first of all, we need to take 4 big spoons of flour. Flour is basically maida. So 4 big tablespoons of flour. Can we start with that, please? Take a bowl, any big bowl, and we're going to put in our 4 big spoons of flour. Come on. Good job. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I think you need a little bit more sugar. There you go. So we've got our 4 big tablespoons of flour now in our bowl. What we need to add to it We're going to mix all the ingredients up. So we need, what do we need next? Have you put your flour in?
Yes.
Super.
Right here.
So now we need to put in 1 spoon of baking powder. If you have a teaspoon, we need to take
Baking powder, 1 spoon.
Baking powder. मैंने न्यूट्रेला पूछा.
Ma'am, could you repeat first 2 steps, please?
Yes, sure.
1 spoon.
Powder. Baking powder.
Can everyone mute, please? Thank you. Otherwise, we won't be able to hear each other. Thank you. So we need to take 4 big tablespoons of flour, maida, and then 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. After that, we need to add 1/4 cup of Nutella. 1/4 cup of Nutella. So Shreyash, would you like to measure this? You can just scoop it up like that. Yeah. Wow, yummy. Yeah. Good job, Shreyash. So we're just gonna yum. That looks so good. The Nutella is going into our cake now.
Yep.
Yeah. Scrumptious.
So yummy.
Tanya ma'am, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, ma'am. I love Nutella and it's looking so nice. And I'm gonna really enjoy my cake.
Yes, I think we all are. So we've got our Nutella going into the bowl as well now. Yes, and next we need to take about 3 tablespoons of milk. So Shreyash, would you like to hold the spoon?
Yeah.
And I'll pour the milk. So we're putting in 3 tablespoons, 3 big spoons of milk.
Milk. Milk is my favorite.
Well, that's 1 and 2 and 3. Good job, Shreyash. That's really well done. How's everyone getting along? Have you been able to put all your milk and ingredients in?
Yes, ma'am. All inside.
Yeah. So now we have to get mixing. So for that we need, and Shreyash is going to do our mixing here. Good job. Mix it up. Whisk, whisk, whisk away the flour. Merrily, 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 whisk away the flour. Whisk, whisk, whisk away the flour. Merrily, 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 whisk away the flour.
It's looking nice, chocolatey.
We had 4 tablespoons of flour. Yes. So you have 4 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of Nutella, and 3 big spoons of milk. And then you need to mix and mix and mix and mix. Also, you need 1 large mug. So I have this big sized mug here. And once we finish mixing, we're going to put this mixture
Naisha, nahi.
into the... Everyone, please, thank you. Keep your mics muted because otherwise my voice drowns out. Thank you. So if you see, the mixture will come together and it'll look like this. Shreyash,
Tanya, I just had a question. I don't have Nutella. Can I use cocoa powder
of course you can.
and sugar?
Yeah. So if you can use about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and I think a little more of sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This cake smells nice.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So our cake batter has come together really well. If you see, this is our cake batter. Yummy. That looks
Yummy.
Sticky.
Yeah. So now we're going to put it into our mug. So Shreyash, we're going to use this spatula that I have here.
Nice.
And do with this one because it might get a little messy. And then we're
Ma'am,
gonna-
should we put in the mug now?
Yes. So we're transferring our cake mixture to the mug.
It looks nice and chocolatey.
Can you smell the mixture, Sanya ma'am? My mixture smells.
Yes, ma'am, it smells so nice. I'm gonna make this with my son too on Mother's Day.
Oh, that's really good to hear.
He will love it.
How are the Wonder Children doing?
Yeah.
That looks. So our mixture has gone into the mug. If you can see, it's nicely settled into the mug. Before we put this into the microwave, we need to make our sauce. There's a sauce that needs to go on top of our cake. So for that sauce, we need 1 tablespoon of Nutella again. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of milk to it.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you may.
I want the spoon.
Yes, please. Thank you. So we're measuring out 1 tablespoon of milk and we put it
Nice.
into our Nutella.
Nice. Let's see how it turns out.
Yeah. And then we're going to gently
Oh,
mix
yeah,
it.
we need to mix it gently, otherwise
Spills.
Nutella will fly all everywhere. We
Gently
don't want that, do we?
mix it. No, we don't. We want to do it gently
And
and
neatly.
neatly. Yes, can we put it on the mat here so we don't have any
Sure.
spills, darling?
Yeah,
Thank
sure.
you. Can you mix it now for me?
Okay.
So everyone, we need 1 tablespoon of Nutella and 1 tablespoon of milk to go on top of our cake when it comes out of the microwave. So when it's nice and hot, we're going to pour this on top. If you feel like you need some, mix the Nutella up, you can add some more milk. So you can put a little bit more. You can maybe put another tablespoon in if your Nutella is not mixing up.
Actually, I think we need that. Then another. And this is turning out like chocolate milk.
Yes, it is.
Funny.
Now just mix it nicely with a spoon.
Ooh, nice. And look at all those bits of Nutella.
Fantastic. So now you need to take your mug and put it into the microwave, Shreyash,
Can
for
I?
90 seconds. Can you please do that for us? So Shreyash, and I'm helping him with this, please take help from an adult.
Ma'am, how much time do we have to keep it in the microwave?
Put the cake in the microwave for 90 seconds. So that's 1.5 minutes. And Shreyash is putting his in and we're going to start it. Our cake is busy rotating in the microwave. We're so excited. Are your cakes in the microwave yet?
Until then, let's mix up the
Yeah.
Nutella.
While the cake is in the microwave, we're going to continue to mix the sauce for our cake.
We don't want it crummy at the end.
Ma'am, we just have to put the glass in the microwave, right? And
Yeah.
the sauce is separate.
Mug that you've made, that you've got, you'll transfer the mixture to that, and then it goes into the microwave for 1.5 minutes, 90 seconds.
All right. Thank you. Atira, slowly mix this. Slowly.
Oh, yum.
You can smell the cake. Can you, Shreyash? Yum! We can't wait to see what our cake looks like. So Wonder Children, have your mama and papa help you to put the cake in the microwave. And be very careful when you're taking it out as well because it will be hot. So mamas and papas, please help your children to put the cake in the microwave and to take it out.
Will you do the thing out for me?
I will do the taking out for you, Shreyash.
The sauce also looks yummy.
It does, Sanya ma'am. I can't wait to eat this. Okay, we're about to take our cake out of the oven. It's nearly done.
80, 70, 60,
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
and our microwave cake is ready. So I'm going to help Shreya pull it out of the oven. Wow! Look at it! Wow, it looks so ooey gooey and yummy.
Yeah.
And wow, I can see someone else. Sania Ma'am's is also ready.
Look, it looks lovely
Smells
and gooey.
Sania Ma'am.
Can I put the sauce?
And now we're going to put the sauce on.
That's it, okay? Cake.
Wow, and we've poured our sauce on top. Has everyone poured their sauce?
Yummy, yummy.
Adira, that looks lovely. So delicious.
We're done.
So we just poured our sauce on top and it's become even more ooey and gooey. My mouth is watering.
So is mine.
You know what we can put, Shreyash, on top?
Sprinkles!
Yes.
Hey.
We're going to add some sprinkles to our cake because it'll look even prettier for Mama on her special Sunday. Shreyash has some sprinkles here. Oh wow, Shreyash, you've got quite the assortment. And you can choose whichever ones you like. So let's put some stars because Mamas are such superstars.
And
We're going to put some stars.
Tanya ma'am,
Yes.
can you repeat the topping thing because there was some network problem on my end?
Just a tablespoon. It's a tablespoon of milk with a tablespoon of Nutella.
Ma'am, I'm so excited to eat this all.
Isn't it looking delicious?
So delicious.
So we've put some star sprinkles on ours and you can top them with sprinkles. You can put almonds on top. You can put, what else could you put, Sania ma'am? What do you think?
We are putting some ice cream.
Nuts is a very good option, ma'am. It's healthier.
Yeah. Putting ice cream.
Marshmallows? Maybe marshmallows?
Ma'am, we made it.
Yeah.
What?
Ma'am, somebody has already
Ma'am, we made it. Ma'am.
I love
See, Tanvi made it. It's a Tanvi.
मुझे मुझे दिखा दो दोनों ये क्या है
They're adding sprinkles to it.
क्या करना red sprinkles because red is my mother's favorite color.
Yes. So
My dad
and should we mute everyone, please? Thank you. And now, I think when you give this cake to Mama, Sania ma'am, don't you think they should sing a song? Because when they're giving
Of course, ma'am.
there should be a sweet song to
Ma'am,
go.
have a look.
What do you think? So,
Ma'am,
Of course,
have a-
ma'am.
sweet
Oh,
song.
it's looking nice.
Mamas and papas, can everyone mute themselves now? We're going to sing a song together. Thank you.
Good job, Adira.
I love my mommy. I love my mommy. I love my mommy. Yes, I do. Here's a kiss and a hug for you. Thank you, mommy, for all you do. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. I love my mommy. I love my mommy. I love my mommy. Yes, I do. Here's a kiss and a hug for you. Thank you, mommy, for all you do. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. I love you. That was so nice. And I'm going to post the link to this song after the class is over so that you can memorize it, you can learn it, and then you can sing it to Mama on Sunday. When you wake her up in the morning, you can start with a beautiful song, and then perhaps you can bake this ooey gooey Nutella cake again and give it to her as a surprise. So Sanya ma'am, it's now time to sing our goodbye song.
Yes, ma'am.
And you know, since we've not been going to school, we've been staying at home to stay safe. Instead of saying it's time to go home, we're going to sing it's time to stay at home. So it's time to stay at home. It's time to stay at home. I had so much fun, and you
So
so
had so much fun.
We all had so much fun, but now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye.
See you again. Goodbye, goodbye.
See you again. So Sanya ma'am, would you like to say bye to the children, and then I will.
Of course. Bye bye, all my lovely children. It was so good to see you all again. Hope to see you soon again. And stay home, stay safe. Don't go out. It's very risky. Stay at home and have good fun with your parents, Mama, Papa, both, and have a very good Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers. And stay home, stay safe. Take care, all of you.
So take care, all you wonder children and your wonderful, wonderful families. Don't forget to be kind to animals, birds, and human beings, of course. Hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Shreyash and I would like to wish all the mamas, grandmamas, aunts, didis a very
happy
Mother's Day.
goodbye. Stay safe. Take care. Love you and we miss you. Mwah.
Thank
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Sanya ma'am. Thank you, Sanya ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, Adira.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, now the back.
Bye.
You want the hand? Bye bye, everyone.
Bye bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, Raineel.
सुना मैम को
Bye.
Nana is eating the cake.
Wow, lovely. I think we should all also begin.
Yeah, let's do
Yeah. And thank you, Tanya ma'am.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
sorry